During workouts or other activities, if you want to sync your Galaxy Watch Ultra with any external Bluetooth headphones or earbuds like AirPods Pro, Google Pixel Buds, or Galaxy Buds, even with any Bluetooth speaker, in this video we will show you exactly how to pair and connect them. To pair your external Bluetooth device with your watch, first, whatever device you're using depending on the type and nature of the device, make sure to take it into pairing mode. Once the device is on pairing mode, swipe down your watch face, swipe left and tap and hold this headphone icon. You can also end up in this section from settings to connections to Bluetooth. Make sure it's turned on. If your device is properly on pairing mode, the name will pop up in this available devices list. Just tap on it and then confirm the pairing process. After the pairing is done, tap on this full icon, and from here, make sure it's selected for calls and audio. Although if it's a Bluetooth speaker, you'll only get the audio option. You can use your newly paired external Bluetooth device for phone calls or music, depending on whatever device you have paired with your watch. And if you're listening to music from the music app or Spotify, whenever you want, from that app settings, you can switch it between your watch speaker and your paired Bluetooth device. And following the same process, you can pair multiple Bluetooth devices with your Galaxy Watch. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.